Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside speakers, power tongue jack, outside storage, stabilizer jacks, double step entry, backup camera ready, outside shower, spare tire, LED exterior lighting, flip down travel rack, USB charging station, LED interior lighting, vanity with sink, overhead storage, TV mounting bracket, mini blinds, fire extinguisher, oven, double door refrigerator, bathroom tub shower combo, sink covers, range hood with exhaust fan and light, high-rise faucet, double bed bunks, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, bathroom toilet, entry grab handle, booth dinette, over-the-range microwave. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.